Hello students, welcome in Maths online class. Students, I hope you all are seriously doing your homework. You have to write everything in your fair copy. So students, in this video, we will be discuss the remaining laws of exponent. In my previous video, I have explained you the first law, second, third and fourth laws. So in first law, what was the first law? First law was 0, second negative exponent, third multiplying power with the same base, and fourth power of power. Now fifth law of exponent, dividing power. So dividing power, you can also say the quotient rule, means finding quotient of power of the same number or same base, means number of, in this condition numerator and denominator should be same. So here is a three condition. In this rule have a three condition. First is when m is equal to n. So what is the m and n? Here is m and n is the power of the numerator and denominator. Means when m is equal to n, then value will be 1. Now second, when m greater than n, then how we can write the value? And value will be x power m raised to minus n. And when m less than n, then value will be 1 upon x power n minus n. So on this three condition, we have the some examples, and now look how we can solve these type questions. So look here, what is here given? 5 raised to the power 7 upon 5 raised to the power 7. Look here, the numerator and denominator both are same. Or you can also say that in this form, rational number form. So first we solve in this form 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 means how we can solve. If you can, you also solve by the expanded form, or you can also solve by the according to this rule. 5 power 7 means 5 multiplying by how many times? 7 times. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7 same as 5 multiplied by 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 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Cancel all the 5s. So what is left here? Here is the left 1. This condition proof now here. Now the second condition. What is second condition? When if m is greater than n, means when the numerator power is greater than denominator power. So how we can find the value of this type question? So we can find the value of this type question like as x, we can write like as x raised to power m minus n. m upon 7, 5 upon 5 raised to power 7 upon 5 raised to power 4. Look here, this is 7, this is a 4. This is power of numerator, this is power of denominator. Here is the numerator power greater than denominator power. So how we can solve? We can solve like as, we can write like as, or you can also solve by the expanded form. But we have a rule, so we used a rule and we solve by the according to the rule. So 5 upon 7, so 5 power raised to power 7 and 5 upon 5 raised to power 4. So we can write like as 5 raised to the power 7 minus 4 according to the this condition. So the answer will be 5 raised to the power 3. And if the question is saying find the value or simplify, so you can simplify easily. 5 raised to power 3 means 5 multiplied by 3 times. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Then answer will be 125. Now third is the last example, means last condition. What is the last condition? If m is less than n, means n is greater than m, means denominator power is greater than numerator power. So what is the value? Value will be 1 upon x power n minus m. So look here, in this example 5 raised to power 4 and 5 raised to power 7. Here is the numerator power. What is the numerator power? 4. And what is the denominator power? 7. Look here, here the 4 is a less than 7, means here is a m less than n, means numerator power less than denominator. So we can write in this form of this question, means 1 upon, what is x? X means these number are same, so we can write only once time. So we can write the only 5. Then raised to the, what is the power of this? 7 minus 4. Then answer will be 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3. If the question is saying simplify or find the value, so we can find easily. Is equal to 1 upon 125. Now, if the question is given in a rational number form, so how we can solve? Same condition. So look here, 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3. First, we match the both base. First base and second base. Both are same. So we can write like as 5 upon 3 upon 5 upon 3 raised to power 3 raised to the power 3. Then value will be 1 because 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 times, and in denominator 5 multiplied by upon 3 multiplied by 3 times. All the 5 upon 3 cancel. Then what is left is there? 1. Means here we can use this condition. Which one? A upon B. This is a numerator and this is a denominator. Both are given in a rational number form. And what is the rational number? Rational number means which number we can write in the form of P upon Q. P upon Q, that number known as a rational number. So A upon B power m divided by A upon n power m, means when the condition is a m is equal to n, means power, if the powers are equal, then value will be 1. Now second condition, when the m greater than n, so how we can find or how we can solve this type question? We can solve on this condition, means on this condition means write the base same and raised to the power m minus n. So what is here? 3 upon 8 raised to power 11 divided by 3 upon 8 raised to power 5. Match the both bases are here. Both base are same. So we can write like as 3 upon 8 raised to the power. What is the m? 11. What is the m? N minus 5. So 3 upon 8 raised to the power 6. So this is the fifth laws of exponent. And what is the dividing power? And you can also say the quotient rule. Now next and last rule of the power of product of rational number. And you can also say the expanded power rule. If we have a two rational number and both rational numbers are power raised to the power common, so how we can solve? We can solve in this time, means we have a one rational number x and second is a y, and both are power raised to the power m. So we can solve in this manner, means x power m multiplied by y power m. Meaning is first we find the power of each factor and then multiply. Suppose that here is a 7 is a x and y is a 3, and both raised to the power is a 2, means common power. So how we can solve? So just we find the power of each factor. Each factor means first we find the power of 7. What is 7 power? 7 power will be raised to the power 2, and then 3 power 2 again. 7 power 2 means 7 to the 14, not 7 multiplied by 2 times. 7 sevens are 49, means 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 power 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 to the 6, not. This is wrong. 3 multiplied by 2 times. So 7 sevens are 49 and then multiply by 9. Then 9 is a 81, write 1, carry 8. Then 9 4 the 36. 36 plus 8, 44. Then 441 is the value. Now if they given in a which form? In this form. So how we can find? So 2 upon 5 rational number form. So find the power of each factor. 2 power 3 upon 5 power 3. So 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 upon 125. This is the value. And this, okay students, this was all about for today. And I have to attach your homework in description of this video. Thank you and take care.